today we're gonna unbox the 84 pieces completed do-it-yourself nail set suppliers with nail art brush, nail dotting tools, nail rhinestone, and nail sticker. Let's see what is inside. So here we got a manual. It's a user guide that we can use. So we got these 12 pieces. Foil flakes. This is how it look like. We also got 3 pieces rhinestone. So here's the rhinestone. We also have 12 pieces laser sticker. It's not showing. Also have 12 pieces, 10 pieces stripping tape, and this is how it look like. Like the strip when we are doing the design. Just like this. We also have 2 pieces nail file. It's a double-sided nail file. The package also include 2 pieces toe separator.
Did you put it at our toes? At
Yes.
our feet?
Yes. Shells. Crush shells. The package also include one bent twister. This is for picking up the rhinestone, the foil, all the decoration that you want to put on your nails. The package also include a grip nail brush. This is for cleaning nails and toes. Side is for smoothing the edges, and for the white side is shaping the nails. It's for buffer and polish. And this is 100 pieces nail form. It looks like a guitar. The package also contains a 3 pieces cuticle pusher and remover, but I use the one I have from the product.